Hi students, Justina here. Today we will see first part of our first chapter, numbers, and in numbers we will see numbers up to 1 lakh, numbers beyond 1 lakh, place value chart in Indian system. We have already learned up to 4-digit numbers in class 3. So here we will just revise that once again, that is numbers up to 1 lakh. 1 to 9 is considered as 1-digit numbers, and 10 to 99 is considered as 2-digit numbers. 100 to 999 is considered as 3-digit numbers, and 1000 to 9999 is considered as 4-digit numbers. From this we can say that after every greatest number, that is in 1-digit number the greatest number is 9, the next number will be the smallest 2-digit number. Same way, 99 plus 1 will get 100, 999 plus 1 will get 1000. Same way, 9999 plus 1 will get 10,000. That is the smallest 5-digit number. Now, after 9999, I told you 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Then it comes 10,001, 10,002, and goes on up to 99,999. They are considered as 5-digit numbers from 10,000 to 99,999. Now we'll go through the examples. So here some examples are given. Draw beads to represent these numbers on abacus. So abacus is given, we need and a number is also given. We need to draw the beads. So it's simple. According to each place we can give circles or some bead pictures. So here 35,246 is given. So from ones place it will be 6, tens place 4, hundreds place 2, thousands place 5, and 10,000s place 3. From the end or from starting also we can draw. Next, write numbers between given two numbers. So we can write numbers. So it is 65,943 and up to 65,950. So 43 and 50. Then the numbers will be 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we can write the complete numbers, that is 65,944 and 65,945, 65,946. 65,947, 65,948, 65,949. These are the numbers which comes in between given numbers. So we'll go through the exercise. Count the beads on abacus and fill in the blanks. Just count the beads and write the numbers below that. B. Draw beads to represent the numbers on abacus. Some numbers are given. We need to draw beads on each place. Wherever 0 comes, no need to draw anything, or wherever the place is empty, that is considered as 0. C. Write the numbers for these number names. Some number names are given. We need to write the numbers. So 14,800. So 14, 800, 800. So 14, 800. So like that we can do the other questions also. Now I will just revise or just go through numbers beyond 1 lakh. So we have already studied the greatest 5-digit number, that is 99,999. So 1 plus will give the smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number, and 9,99,999 is the biggest 6-digit number. So if we add 1 to each greater number, the next digit smallest number will come. 1 more than 99,999 gives 1 lakh, then 1 lakh and 1 lakh and 2, 1 lakh and 10, and so on up to 9,99,999. That is the greatest 6-digit number. 1 plus if we give, we will get 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the smallest 7-digit number, and 99,99,999 is the greatest 7-digit number. If you add 1 to that, we will get the smallest 8-digit number, that is called 1 crore. Now example, same pattern only the thing is the digits, number of digits is little more high. So starting from 1,89,983, write the next 4 numbers. So if you add one more to given number, we'll get the next numbers. Draw beads to represent these numbers on abacus. Numbers are given, we need to draw the beads. Wherever 0 comes, no need to draw anything. Next, place value chart in Indian system. We have already revised this portion. So in Indian system, while putting commas for numbers, we'll put last 3 numbers and before that 1 comma, then 2 numbers, before that 1 comma, then 2 numbers, and so on. So the place value chart is like this. Ones, tens and 100 together forms ones. 1000 and 10,000 together forms 1000. Lakhs and 10 lakhs together form lakhs. Then if the next 2 more digit comes after beyond 1, then it will be crore and 10 crore if 2 more places are added. So while writing numbers also, it's easy by seeing the place value chart. Here one number is given 34, 67, 293. So while putting commas, we will put comma before 293, before that 1 comma, 67, before that 1 comma, 34, before that 1 comma. So the number will be read like this: 34 lakhs 67,293. Same way in the next one also. 53 lakhs, that is under 1 comma, so after one group, so after that we will put 1 comma. 46,000 1 comma 342. So go through the examples. Draw the following numbers in place value chart and write in words. It's easy. Only thing is that while writing in place value charts, we need to start from the end or from our right side. Numbers will write from the last to first. And while giving number names also, by seeing the place value chart itself, we can find the numbers. Example 2. Put commas between the periods and write in words. Same way, before last 3 numbers 1 comma, then 2 numbers 1 comma, then 2 numbers 1 comma, and so on. And we can write the numbers in words. Write in figures. Some numbers are given, we need to write in figures. That is also we have already said. Same pattern we are following if the digits increase also. And we will go through exercise 2. Write these numbers in place value chart. So draw place value chart, write the numbers from the end. Single chart can be drawn for all the 4 questions. Put commas between periods and write in words. Put commas from the end, before 3 numbers 1 comma, then before 2 numbers 1 comma, and so on. Write the numbers in words. Now place value chart is given, write that numbers in words. D. Write in figures, put commas between periods according to Indian system. So number names are given, we need to write the numbers and we need to put commas. Thank you.